rig.
The river rig. Had to get a fresh mask. We're working on getting a fresh air for me. You show you that?
Not yet.
Yes, sir.
I saw that. I was like, oh man, that's actually pretty cool.
Yeah, that.
You know what it reminds me of? That Kindig thing we got with the outline of the cars on it.
Yeah, oh yeah. Check this out. This is pretty cool. This is actually, it's a different paint line. So we was looking at Kindig. You know David Kindig? He has Kindig Designs, builds street rods and hot rods. So check this out. All right. So this is his custom line of colors that he's painted cars, and so they made a color book for him. So Modern Classics by Kindig, but he's got these clear blanks of cars, and then you can change the colors. Well, let's see if I can get my fingers to work right. And see what the cars would look like that color.
That's really cool.
Is that not sweet? That is, and that how simple of a is that?
Yeah, that's real.
It's like, why is people not thought it? Yeah, or you could two-tone it or whatever, but I thought that was this little book cost $100. I'm trying to come up with one for my car that's unique, that's different, and which is very hard to do because you start mixing and matching and moving colors and stuff, and they don't do what you think they're gonna do.
Did you have to go to school for this? Or you self-taught? Or a little bit of both?
I was actually pretty lucky. So my dad been in the hot rods and basically hot rod motors and stuff, not really painting bodies. So I grew up around cars, and I had signed up to go to Tech to do heating and air. The day before I was supposed to go start that, I'm like, nah, I ain't doing that. I want to take auto body. I want to mess with cars. So I started taking that, and Tech kind of gives you hit and miss on stuff. They make you think you know what you're doing, but enough to be dangerous. And a guy, Don Jacks, built street rods in Boonville at the time. He come up there and talked to the instructor during the Tech, said, hey, you got any guys that show potential, kind of really interested in it? He's like, yeah, I got a couple guys. And me and another boy got to go work for him. And which was, I was 19, building $300,000 cars, so really that's where I learned. Car's going Viper red with white stripes. It's going to be single stage. We got our own little recipe that we do with the single stage and clear coat. A lot of people just do a little cocktail, but we took that and modified it. Try to give it the old lacquer look, a real deep look. Should be pretty cool.
You hand mix those?
Since there's not like a bunch of different pigments to stir up, mix up to make a uniform color. Warms me up like a little exercise. That way we don't get arm pumped. So all right. Sealer's been sitting up for about 15 minutes. Should be good to go. Get us one more little swig of the Go Juice. Time for color.